Mm-hmm. 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 Let's go.
Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making crispy air fryer wings. You will need 1.5 pounds of chicken wings, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, and 2 teaspoons of paprika. In a small bowl, combine your baking powder, salt, garlic powder, black pepper, paprika, and onion powder, and mix until well combined. Make sure your wings have been cleaned and thoroughly dried. Add your seasoning mixture to your wings, then mix until all your wings are well coated. If you'd like a printable version of this recipe, please visit my website at soulfoodcooking101.com. A link is in the description below. Turn your air fryer setting to 380 degrees, then load your air fryer with your wings. Allow your wings to cook for 28 minutes, then they are ready to serve. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to grasp how to make great food with steps made for you.